I'm going to explain about amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation definition is generally the amplitude of the carrier is varied according to the message signal. For example, this is an message signal. This is the message signal M of t. So, and this is the carrier signal. This is the carrier signal C of t. So this carrier signal amplitude is varied according to the message signal amplitude. So that is the definition, but what is the modulation? What are the applications? How it is modulating? I will explain. So here you can see this. What is the need for modulation? We know that if the signal strength is low, if you want to transmit for long distance communication, we need to go for modulation. So for example, this you said hello, so but after conversion from physical to analog, so this is an EM wave, electromagnetic wave, message signal. This is an message signal. So if you want to transmit for long distance communication, so we need to go for modulation. So for that we need to take that is carrier signal or else duplicate signal. So this is an carrier signal C of t. So modulate with C of t with M of t. So this is an carrier signal. So now this carrier signal amplitude is varied according to the message signal. What is the message signal? Carefully observe this. This is an message signal. Here you can see this. This is an message signal. This is an message signal. And what is an carrier? So this is the carrier amplitude is varied according to the message signal. So negative cycle. So this is internal, it is carrier. So because of this, so you may get the carrier shape like this. Originally this is the message signal. So but the carrier is varying, so that it will get negative side also. So this is an message. So this carrier signal is amplitude is varied according to the message signal. You can say this. So this is, so that's why the amplitude of the so this is an original message signal. As I said, this is original message. So but the carrier is internally varied according to the message. So here positive half cycle carrier is varied, so that the negative also will vary. So positive is varied, so that negative also varied. So here internally it is the carrier is varied according to the message signal. So therefore the total message is that is carrier signal plus and amplitude voltage Vm, message signal voltage Vm. So this is an resultant signal, that is amplitude modulated signal. So after this modulation we can send for long distance communication through wire or wireless signal. So here you can see this. This is an information source, means this is the message signal. As I said, they are named as that is M of t. And this is an oscillator, that is carrier signal or duplicate signal, that is named as that is C of t. So after modulation, that is C of t into M of t, so you will get the resultant output signal, that is modulated AM, amplitude modulated output. So here, so after that, after modulation, you can send through wire or wireless by using antenna. So of course, so finally, so why you are going for modulation means if you want to transmit for long distance communication, we are going for modulation. But these are the different modulation techniques to transmit, that is amplitude modulation, frequency modulation and phase modulation. So, and coming to the applications, you can say this the same thing. This is the message and this is the carrier signal. So this is an modulated signal, and here I can say this for we can use in broadcasting like FM, AM radio transmissions, sorry, and ground to ground communications, and also it is used in point to communications, and like this we can use in all the communications to transmit the signals. We are going to use, that is, amplitude modulated signals for long and short distance communications. Thank you.